Hey, everyone. Today I'm thrilled to introduce the Arifis Dashcam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera. This compact and reliable dashcam is a must-have for any driver, providing you with peace of mind and invaluable evidence in the event of an accident. With its FHD 1080p resolution, advanced CMOS sensor, and 150 wide-angle lens, this dashcam captures crystal clear footage day and night, ensuring that you can always clearly see license plates and road signs. It also features built-in 2.4G Wi-Fi and an intuitive app for easy live streaming, video downloads, and sharing on social media platforms. Installing the dashcam is a breeze, and its compact design means it won't obstruct your view while driving. The 24-hour parking mode and G sensor ensure that your vehicle is always protected, even when parked, and seamless loop recording means you never have to worry about running out of storage space. The Arifis dashcam is also heat-resistant and supports up to 128GB microSD cards, so you can trust that it will perform flawlessly in any conditions. Don't miss out on this essential piece of car safety equipment. Click the link in the description to get your Arifis Dashcam Wi-Fi FHD 1080p car camera today and take control of your on-the-road safety.